Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here my MacBook Air and I also have my iPad. Alright, so of course I have this cool stand that you can actually see here that keeps it mounted on the desk. I have a separate unboxing of that. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you, of course, as you can see, I can actually maneuver this on my desk. It's very handy. I'll have a coming up review of this. And of course, I'll be showing you how to mirror your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro onto your iPad. All right, so it's a very cool feature for multitasking. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, so I'm going to unlock my device. So of course, as you can see here, the iPad is fully functional. It has its own operating system, but of course, as a part of my desk setup, as you can see here, guys, I'm going to show you to mirror. So of course, you can do multitasking by actually being able to access my MacBook Air over on my iPad, and it works for any iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad 11th generation, you name it, 10th generation. As long as you're on the latest software, make sure your device is also up to date. And of course, let's get straight in how to mirror my MacBook onto the iPad. All right, so the first thing you do, guys, is to go ahead and you're going to Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is to go ahead, guys, and you're going to tap on the option here. You'll see right beside the serial icon, right beside the time. That's the third option from the left in most cases. You're going to then bring out the quick controls as seen here. Alright, so from here, you're going to search for this icon here. That looks like two windows, one before the other, and this is called screen mirroring. Alright, so you're going to tap, and of course, it's going to scan, and it shows here two different devices, and of course here it shows my iPad, and of course because I've connected to it already, if it shows it up, allow it to scan, then I'm going to hit iPad. All right, so once I hit iPad, well, this is what's going to happen. Now straight away you'll notice that the interface has changed. It's no longer my iPad's interface, and I'm now able to actually access the arm that's right here. Now it's over to the left, so you'll have to move this way, the cursor, and as you can see here, the cursor is right over here. All right, so I can move stuff, all right, according to how I need it. I can control it easily. Simply tap on the icon that's now here. You can see I can mirror the built-in Retina display or use an external display. I can hide the sidebar or hide the touch bar, and of course it shows other options here. So if I want to, I can mirror what's on this, meaning whatever is done here will be shown over there. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so as you can see here, whatever I do here is now portrayed over there. So that's one of the mirroring effects, meaning anything at all I end up doing here, it will show up over on my right. So this is the two main ways you can actually mirror. As you can see, this is as if this is a smaller display to this, and it's the same high quality display from Apple. All right, next I'm going to show you how to extend, and extend is the better option. So you go back here and you tap on display, and it will mirror, and of course you can pass things between. This is the better option. Now check this out, guys. I'm not going to play a video, but of course here's YouTube, and I'm going to move it over. As you can see over on the right, you can notice it comes right over. So I can actually mirror and move over YouTube. So here we go in terms of moving YouTube. So all I've got to do is simply set it up here. So if I do that, you can see I have YouTube going over on my side here. So YouTube is right over here, and I can be doing something else, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. You may also want to place your iPad to this side, seeing it's more intuitive that it's on this side, or you can set it up wherever you want. Here as well, guys, I can be browsing and searching for information while I'm enjoying a YouTube video over on this side. So it's very intuitive. I could also be typing a document at the same time, and everything will just be streamlined. So you can have your content running, and of course over here you can have full control. All right, you can also see the controls here over on this side. So you have a number of options in terms of your keyboard and other options. So you can actually modify the settings according to how you want. So for example, you could go into display settings, and of course you can control the screen mirror from here. Also remember, these are touch controls, so with these touch controls you can actually go ahead and do whatever you want. So for example here, you'll notice the options will change according to the layout. All right, so these are total touch controls. You can even bring up a keyboard. So there you go in terms of the keyboard. So these controls, and the advantage of a touch will allow you here to do stuff. So you can actually go ahead and control with the touch. All right. In case you want to disable this feature, go ahead and click here. And of course, where it says screen mirroring, go ahead and tap. And once you tap, it will shut down. All right. So tap and it will start. And simply tap again here. So select the iPad once more and it will turn off the feature. The iPad is now back to its normal mode. So that's how you actually turn off the feature. All right, so now that you know, you can actually explore this feature. It's very cool. It's very cool and another cool way to actually use your iPad. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.